We recommend greasing the carriage run to ensure smooth operation of the printer. This should be done every 2 weeks. This bar here is where we will grease. We first need to move the print head to the left hand side into the centre of the printer using the arrows on the front of the printer. Press and hold the left arrow and the print head will move. We now want to use a dab of the included grease that you'll find in your spare kit onto the left hand side here and onto the right hand side here. You can then press the home button and the print head will move back to the home position. As the printer is used, the grease will move across this bar along the entire length, ensuring that the carriage moves smoothly.